Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, and welcome to a little bit of a positive and bullish morning for Bitcoin. We're going to do a full update, as most of you know, and if you don't know, then welcome to the channel. But we'll do a full update here. We'll talk about the fundamentals. We'll talk about the technicals, what's needed to get bullish. I would say the technical situation at this point of time is still very, very similar as the technical situation yesterday. I do think that at the moment, we're getting some interesting bullish momentum and some bullish developments from the support level, which so far has held at 60,000. But we are by far not bullish, all right? Maybe if you go to the 15-minute time frame, you'd say we're bullish. But I don't think we are bullish yet. And if we take a look at the fundamentals real quick here, what you can see is that it's still a very mixed image, all right? You can see gold actually went up a bit overnight, now dropping down. So this is a bit of an indication of the unrest. And there's obviously unrest in the Middle East, but the uncertainty, I think, remains. So that's obviously still potentially bearish, as an alert just went off, which I wanted to look at. And then if you look at assets, so if you look at the S&P, if you look at the Nasdaq, if you look at the Russell 2000, they're opening relatively bullish. Nasdaq and Russell 2000 are also at strong support levels here. The S&P is trading a little bit higher in pre-market, so that's good. Dollar strength index also retraced a bit overnight, but the dollar strength index is actually quite strong still, so that's a little bit bearish. So that's what I meant with the fundamentals are still quite mixed here. Now today we could see a change in that, because today, as I also said yesterday, we actually have some important economic data with the non-farm payrolls and the unemployment rate. Now what we'd want to see, I think, is just news kind of in the trend that we're in. So hopefully a little bit lower than expected non-farm payrolls and a little bit higher than expected, or as expected, unemployment rate data. Back in August, higher than expected unemployment rate data also caused some recession fears, so maybe that's not what we want. But in general, look, I'll keep you updated on this economic data, but in general, you just want the dollar strength index to turn bearish here. That is essentially what it boils down to. And then, hopefully, so far Bitcoin has been recovering a bit. And then hopefully we can get some sort of a reclaim above 62,400, because that is very much what we're looking for right now, right? If you look at the structure, then so far, yes, we have found bottom. We found some sort of a local bottom at 60,000. But to get really bullish again, at least on the higher time frames, we'd need to get that reclaim. And at this point of time, I would not assume that we are going to get that reclaim, right? So a reclaim would look something like this. We reclaim, we get up towards like 63.5 and 64,000. There's a lot of liquidity up here, and then we consolidate up here, right? Here you can see the liquidity. There's a lot at just a little bit above 63,000. So this is what we want to see, but the main reason why I would not expect this is still the instability in the world at this point of time, right? There's still quite a lot of uncertainty about how the situation in the Middle East is going to develop. If the development is going to be, less than expected or less harsh than expected, then we can do this. But for now, the price action that we're seeing just looks like a little bit of recovery. And I do expect that to continue a bit here, because what we see is some real bidding coming in and some shorts closing as well. So that's all positive. Although I have to say, if you look at the open interest right here, it's going up a little bit too quick than what I would have liked. All right, what you like to see is that spot is getting bought, and open interest is futures data. So that's also another reason why I am less convinced that this is long term going to hold. For now, I think it's more likely that, yes, we'll be able to get into 62,400, but the only way we can break above that, I think, is with some more bullish news or ease of tensions. All right, so that's what I think for now. I'll probably make some sort of a middle of the day market update, because NFP days, I'm not sure what I did there. NFP days are historically very volatile, so there's going to be a lot of movement. I'll try to keep you updated on that. But that is what I think you need to know for now. So if you do have any questions, let me know. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.